Welcome in, guys. In this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about AI agents as a complete beginner because I started my AI journey about a year ago, and I remember when I was first learning, everything seemed so confusing and so overwhelming. So I want to teach it to you in a way that I wish somebody taught me, because if you're watching this, maybe you saw a few videos and you watched a few people explain it, but nothing's making sense. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of what AI is, what AI agents are, how they can work for you, and you'll even understand how to make them work for you. So let's get right into it. But more importantly, let's get into why you should want to know about what they are. So why you should care about AI agents. In the past 5 years, you could see on Google Trends that the demand for AI agents has completely skyrocketed. So everyone knows about them. Everyone's interested in them, but not many people know how to use them. And if you look on Indeed, you see all these companies are hiring people who know how to use AI. That way you can implement it for their business. So it's an extremely high value skill to learn. And if we look through these, you can see these are high paying jobs. And the best part about it is you don't need a college degree for any of these. They just want to know that you know how to use AI and you can implement it for their business. You can see here the public awareness of AI. Most Americans know about AI, 90%. But as you see, only about 30% correctly know how to use it. So what this means for you is that the demand is really high for people who know how to use AI, and the supply is really low because most people don't know how to use it. So if you learn right now how to use it, you're going to be in very high demand. You can make a lot of money, and it's a really good skill to know, especially for right now. So it's a huge opportunity right now, especially if you're willing to put in the work, if you're a little bit curious. So let's get into AI agents. AI agents are smart digital helpers that you give a job to, and they do it for you automatically. A lot of people, when they hear AI, they think of like Iron Man, Jarvis. They think of it super complicated. But I promise you, by the end of this video, you're going to really understand how simple it is, and I'm even going to help you guys out at the end. So let's give a simple explanation of AI agents. So AI, whenever you hear this term, all it means is that whatever you're talking to kind of has its own brain and can think for itself with whatever information you give it. So a normal computer, it used to be you look up information and you have to find out where to pick it from. AI already has access to a lot of that information, so when you ask it a question, it knows what you're looking for and can give you the answer right away. And the term agent really just means a helper that does a certain thing really well. So this is kind of a good video to show. This guy right here that's grabbing the brick, he's a helper, and his task is to grab that brick and place it on the other ones. So just like that, your AI agents, you're going to give them a simple task, and it's going to keep doing it for you over and over. So like I said, it's a smart little worker that will do a job for you. And it can do things like write, draw, answer questions, organize your day, or even talk to your friends or customers for you. So in this little example right here, this is you, and you're telling your AI agent, I need my content posted automatically. AI agent says, done, boss, here it is. And if we scroll over, we could see it made a little post for us, and it can even automatically schedule this post for us to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Reddit, or TikTok. Now, if we come down here, you can see that you can have a lot of different AI agents. So you can have one that writes stories for you. You can have one that answers your text for you. You can have one for drawing silly pictures like this one you see right here. So the funny thing about these pictures is that they've been going viral on Facebook. I'm sure you've seen some like this. And if you look in the comments, a lot of older people, they don't really know about AI yet, so they think it's a real picture, and it's just kind of funny to see that. And they can also book appointments for you. So the best part about AI agents is that they never get tired, they never forget things, they work all day, and they're super cheap and scalable. So I want to give you guys a little bit of foundational knowledge about what AI agents are and what they aren't, because a lot of people get it confused. So AI agents, they are smart helpers, and they can think a little and help you with certain things. I like to use them for brainstorming, for giving me some cool ideas, and for kind of seeing things in a different way than I'm able to see. They're task doers, so you can give them a job and they do it, like writing emails or making schedules, and they can do it over and over again without making any mistakes. They're specialized workers. Each agent is really good at one job, like a personal chef just for pizza, or like an agent that can write emails, like I'm going to show you here in a second. Repeat performers, they can do the same thing over and over. Internet connected, so you can connect your AI agent to the internet. I'm going to show you an example of that in a minute here. And you can have it do some really cool things. Programmable, even if you don't have knowledge in programming, you'll be able to make these because the platform that I use, it's drag and drop, super simple, even a beginner can learn it. And they're fast and scalable. They work super fast and you can have many running at once. And as we look into business for the future with AI, businesses aren't really going to be hiring employees anymore. They're going to have AI agents doing specific things in that business. So for example, you can think 5 years from now, instead of employees, a business is going to have a team of 15 agents that all does a specialized thing. Maybe one agent handles all the emails. One agent comes up with all the ads, posts them, analyzes them, finds high performing ones, keeps iterating on that, making better ones. One handles all of the social media. One does all the customer questions, all the customer assistance. One books the appointments, etc. And what AI agents are not, they're not real people. They're not humans like you and me. It's really just a computer. They're not emotional. They don't have feelings. They don't understand them either. They're not super bots, so they can't think a lot or solve every single problem you have. So you can't just talk to your AI agent and be like, I want you to make me $1 million business. It won't be able to do something like that. And they're not mind readers, so they can't tell what's in your head without being told. And this is something really important that I want to talk about for a little bit, because this is something where beginners, especially, me especially, when I was starting out, I thought right when I found AI, like, oh, this is going to make me $1 million business. All I have to do is tell it to do that. It's not like that at all. And this is why companies are looking for people who know how to use AI, because without the right person, without the right inputs, without using the right tools with your AI agent, it's pretty much going to be useless. And that's why it's so important to be around people who know about AI, who know the best practices, what tools to use, how to use them. And by the end of this video, I'm telling you, it's going to be super easy for you. And they're not watching you. So let's hop into an AI agent that I made that handles email. It's going to look a little bit confusing at first, but we'll break it down super simple. So this is a platform called N8N. And what this does is it allows you to drag and drop fields like these in. And you don't have to know programming at all. And you can create full-on AI agents with this platform. So this agent right here, this is an email agent. So all an agent is right here. You open that up. And right here, this is what we tell the agent to do. So we said you're a professional email assistant integrated into an N8N workflow. Your role is to help manage emails with high efficiency, professionalism, and precision. All emails you compose must follow a formal, clean HTML format and be signed off with Best Anthony. Then we tell it the primary goals, and we tell it supported actions that it can use within this sequence. So also, you don't need to know how to write prompts like this, because you can use AI to write prompts for you as well. But it definitely helps if you know how to write good prompts, which we'll get into in a minute. And you can see we connected all these email things right here. All this is information from my Gmail account. So we're giving AI access to send messages from my account, reply to messages from my account, add labels to messages from my account, create draft emails, get all my messages. That way it can go through them, see what's important, see who to reply to, see what to reply. It can get all labels, and it can mark as unread. So that's a super simple one. And then once you get pretty good at making these, you can make pretty advanced ones. So I'll show you an advanced one right now that I made. It looks super confusing. Let me break it down for you really simply. So all this is this automatically creates AI reels. So let me give you an example. This Google Sheet right here, all it does is it grabs the idea from this Google Sheet that I made right here. So it'll grab the ideas in this column, POV. You're a dog who thinks he's a Navy SEAL. And then it'll go through this entire workflow, make images, turn those images into videos, create sound for the videos, put all these items together, make a really good video, and then deliver you a final product. And if you look down here, this can even auto-publish the video it just made. So if you see this one right here, we have it scheduled to run every single day. So if you want, you could schedule this to run every 10 minutes, every hour. And every hour, it's going to go into your Google Sheet, take one of these ideas, and make a video. So you can imagine that if you have a business, and let's say maybe you're selling shoes, you can imagine how powerful this is going to be if you have 18 of these set up, managing 18 different accounts, and every 10 minutes it creates a new video to post about your business and market your business for you. So if you guys want to learn more, if you're interested, you know AI's a big trending niche to get into, you know it's the perfect time, and you know there's a huge opportunity to get in, I recommend you guys come over here to my free community. We have 33 members right now. Once we hit 100 members, this is going to be a paid community, but as of this recording right now, it's completely free. I have it linked in the bio. This is going to be, I'm going to hand you all the systems, automations, and real-world strategies that I use that'll help you grow your audience, grow your business, learn AI, and really get the upper hand. Because not many people know about AI yet, and there's about a 3-month to year window where if you get into this right now, learn everything possible, I promise you it can change your entire life. So I'll leave that for free in the description. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this video, and I appreciate all of you.